So how to install Giphy keyboard on iPhone. So I just download Giphy app. I just signed up with Facebook, and then to set up Giphy keyboard, just tap in top right in this gear icon and then set up keyboard. Then it redirects me to settings. So in settings, I will just go to Giphy app. I will just go to keyboards and then toggle keyboards and then allow full access. And there you have it. You just tap allow. And that should be it. And then when I want to type something, I just can access this Giphy keyboard. So that's about that. That's how it looks like. And then you can easily copy that Giphy and then just easily paste it like whatever in your messenger apps or social media and stuff like that. So that's basically how it works. You can put GIFs, you can put stickers, you can put text. There are also like these emojis. And then you can easily switch back to standard keyboards. So that's how you do that. Thanks for watching.